Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Dogecoin on your Binance account. Keep watching the video till the end. To buy your Dogecoin on your Binance account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Binance application. Binance is one of the most reputed crypto exchange in the world with license, registrations and approvals across multiple jurisdictions. Their system is secured with state-of-art security measures including real-time risk monitoring, strict KYC protocols, and advanced end-to-end data encryptions. You can earn your rewards from Binance from stocking, dual investment, and yield farming as well. You can reap the benefits of staking cryptocurrency on popular assets like Bitcoin, that is BTC, or Solana, that is SOL. You can use auto invest to buy crypto and earn passive income at the same time. It supports emerging blockchain and crypto projects on Binance Launchpad as well. Now to buy Dogecoin on Binance, you need to install the application on your device. If you have not installed the Binance application on your device, go ahead and launch open your Play Store. The home page of Play Store will appear on the screen. Click on the search bar on the top of the page. On the search box at the top, type in Binance and make a search. The search results will appear on the page. Tap on Install option right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Once you open the application, the home page of Binance application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on Coin option right next to Watch List. On the next page, scroll all the way down and tap on Dogecoin. In case if you don't find it on the list, tap on Search icon at the top right corner of the screen. Enter Dogecoin and make a search. After you find the Dogecoin, tap on it. Now enter the amount you'd like to pay to buy Dogecoin and tap on Buy. Enter your debit or credit card details. Check your payment amount to buy Dogecoin and tap on Confirm. After you do that, you'll be able to buy Dogecoin. This is how you can buy Dogecoin on your Binance account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials in upcoming videos. Also, press the bell icon to receive all the notifications of uploaded videos from Tech Infosys. Thank you so much for watching.